What is our USP? I think our USP is this. We're all about bridging the gap between what I call academia and the streets, and we straddle that line in the middle. You've got professionals and organizations that are highly academic, which is amazing. They know it all, they know the research, they know the data to be able to explain what's going on. Or you have the other hand, which you've got some amazing practitioners, organizations that understand grassroots, understand the way that young people move, the way they operate, how to engage with young people. But there's not many that kind of straddle the middle, you know. And when we talk about violence, which is about, you know, conflict and all of the things that we ultimately engage with, you know, we're trying to adopt and follow a public health approach. And a public health approach, to our understanding, is something which is community-led and academically driven. So we're all about that frontline experience, you know, that insight, but also grounded by contemporary data, contemporary research that get us to understand how to engage with young people in a technological, mediatized time, and engaging with young people the best way possible. Oh, we have loads of success stories, and it's hard to kind of, you know, focus on one. I'll probably just give you a couple. So one of them has been, you know, a family that we've been working with for a long period of time, where this particular family had experienced some high level of violence in their local community, where there was a number of shootings. A member of their family got shot, their household got shot at a number of times, and we was contacted and stepped in and supported that family through a wide range of things that we were doing with them. The children that were in the household as well, but working in conjunction with, you know, West Midlands Police, working in conjunction with housing associations, you know, us coming together as kind of an entity, and we being the kind of advocate and the middle ground, you know, supported that particular family to be moved outside of that house and put into a safe environment. So that's one of our success stories. You know, talking about young people, you know, we've had young people that have come out of prison, that have wanted to give back to their local communities. We've trained those individuals on our mentoring programs. And I kind of think of that one individual, you know, that's come out of prison, he's had a child now, and he's going through challenges, but, you know, he's a young man that's not back in prison. He hasn't done anything negative. And I guess we're just helping and supporting. I guess the challenging thing for us, and I guess with most organizations, is when a lot of these young men or women come out of prison, you know, one of the most biggest challenges is ensuring that they have finance. You know, so we're invested in, you know, working with organizations and, you know, working with them and thinking about creative ways that we can have an income generation that can support them and putting them on that path. So training and development is one thing, and, you know, ensuring that they have money in their pockets to be able to survive, and not necessarily challenge them into thinking about ways that they can make that money is, I guess, an aspect that we kind of bring to the table. And I think that's the realness that I think that Solve kind of bring to the people that we also engage with. We have loads of people that probably present themselves as nervous, not sure how to contact us. One of the things that we try to do is make sure that we're on all social media platforms, so we can try and engage with people as best as possible. You know, whether you can't speak to us directly, you know, go through an organization, you know, go through somebody that's local that can tap into us. You know, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, you know, we're on YouTube, you know, we're on LinkedIn. There's so many ways that you can ultimately contact us and find out about what we do and possibly if we can help. And I guess the reality is, if we can't help, we'll say so. You know, we don't set ourselves up as an organization that say we can do all of the things, but we can do a couple of things great. You know, so connect with us, contact us, and we'll see what we can do to help.